Alright guys, so what I'll do is I'll play through the song very slowly and explain what's going on, and then we'll do it a second time up to speed. Okay? 1 major 7 to a 2 minor, 4 chord, 5 over the 7, and then we'll use these two diminished chords to get us to the 6. And now a quick movement here is going to be 5 7 1 7 4 3 2 5 over the 7 1. We'll kind of repeat that a few times. Then it was 6 7, a 6 plus, which is going to be a C major, to a 2, 4 chord, 5 over the 7. Now we use a passing chord here, that there, and another passing chord over the 3, 6. Seen this before? 4 3 2. Now I can either go 5 or 5 over the 7 and then to the 1. Okay, so we're going to the chorus this time. 6, walk down, 5, 4, and a diminished chord here over the 3 to the 2. That's my passing chord there. And we go to the 5. The bass walks down to the 4. And then we go to a B minor over the 3. Diminish, 2, 5 over the 7, 1, 6, 2 plus 5 7 1 7. That's a 4, 2 7. Now we have a diminish here, I'm sorry, tritone. That's going to be a 2 5 1 movement to the 1. Okay, so I know that wasn't super clear, but nonetheless we'll do it one more time with the backing track. Okay.